today's vlog, I'm going to teach you how to make a homemade cherry juice, domacisok. So for this, I cleaned the cherry, and then after we put here, this is 10 kilos by the way, 10 kilos of cherry, and we need also 10 lemon for this, and powdered lemon. We're gonna put this here. We will bring this to boil. So for every kilo of cherry is 1 pack of this lemon powder. And after, when this cherry boils, then we will separate the juice. We will determine the amount of liquid for the amount of sugar that we will put into. Alright, that's it. Alright, now our cherry is now boiled. So after 30 minutes, this will be the result. See, it's boiled. Ooh. Now we're going to separate the cherry and the juice. So we have a strainer here, So this is how you do it. Then make sure all the juice is left there. And we're gonna throw the remaining. Now we are counting how many liters we accumulated from the juice. So this is already the last 8 liters. So that means 8 kilos of sugar also that we're going to mix. You can also drink it like this, but to preserve it so we can use it for long and we can utilize it for many times, we need to put sugar. So you can just put water or this sparkling water to drink it later on. So we have 8 liters of pure cherry juice. Now next we're going to put sugar. Put everything. We'll put another half of this bag since the first bag was only 5 kilos. So another 3 kilos, just 1 kilo of sugar per liter of juice. So let's get half of this. That's it. And Now we are done, and we're going to put this in our basement to make it warm because it's very hot right now. And later we will put this in the bottle and it's ready to go. We're going to filter our cherry juice one more time when we put in the bottle. Slowly.